In a bowl, add half cup of rice flour, a teaspoon of ghee, a pinch salt and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now add boiling water in small quantities and make it into a soft dough. Apply ghee to your hands and make small balls. Now in a pan, add a cup milk and half cup water. Once the milk is heated up, drop the balls one by one into it. After 5 minutes, gently mix and add sugar as per your taste. Cook for about 10 minutes. Now add cardamom or ilachi powder into it. Finally add half cup coconut milk, boil for 5 minutes and off the stove. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon.